Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at a probability question. Really, kind of how can we use a probability table to find combinations of two events? So you got two different events in this probability problem, and we're going to look at organizing our data. So just so you know, this is CPM course 2, and it's section 5.2.4. And this is number 60 is the problem that I'll be using to review this. So Maggie, I'll read it together. Let's go. Maggie was at the state fair and decided to buy a sundae from an ice cream stand. The ice cream stand had 4 flavors of ice cream: chocolate, vanilla, mint chip, and coconut, and 2 toppings: hot fudge and caramel. So how many different sundaes could Maggie create using 1 scoop of ice cream and 1 topping? Make a probability table to support your answer. So if we look at this, the table that I'm going to create is a 2-dimensional table, right? So you're going to have up here, I'll put our flavors. So we have different flavors. And over here, I'm going to put our toppings. So with our flavors, we've got 4 different flavors. So our flavors, I'm going to abbreviate our flavors. You have chocolate is 1 flavor. Then you've got vanilla is another flavor. You have mint chip is another flavor. And then I'll do this for coconut for another flavor. Okay, so chocolate, CH, vanilla, the V, mint chip, and coconut. So those are our flavors. And then when you talk about toppings, you have hot fudge and caramel. So look at our table at this point. So our table we've got has the combinations then would be within each, right? So this would be a hot fudge and chocolate. So this would be hot fudge on vanilla. This would be hot fudge on mint chip, and this would be hot fudge on coconut, right? So you have right there 4 different combinations that involve hot fudge. This would be the caramel on top of chocolate. This would be the caramel on top of vanilla, and this would be the caramel on top of mint chip, and this would be the caramel on top of coconut. So there's another 4 flavors. So here's the organization of our data, and so it asks the question then says, how many different sundaes could Maggie create? So if we look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 different sundaes. Okay. All right. There you go.